PSE is already an industry fixture, having worked for companies like Globe Telecom, Dimensions Data, ECI Telecom, and NTT. He continues to help customers with their digital journey as the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer of OneOne. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Vince S. Tabit.
Good afternoon, everybody. Okay. I'm Vince Tabing. I'm the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer of OneOne. Ayan. Okay. So, ang pinakamalaking problema, okay, ng mga cable operators and ISPs, no, is actually yung capital investment, yung capital expenditure for starting your modernization. Kahapon at saka kaninang umaga, we've heard a lot about AI and machine learning and all these fancy stuff, no, that are available to us, no, yung mga technologies. But let us backtrack a little. Paano ba magsisimula ang digital transformation? Siyempre, magsisimula yan doon sa essential, which is your network. So if your network is not up to it, hindi naman gagana lahat yan, yung AI, hindi naman gagana lahat. Kailangan yung mabilis na network, kailangan yung mabilis na internet, kailangan mabilis yung backbone nyo to be able to cope up with all these new technologies that are coming. No? And we realize that, we recognize that challenge. No? So we want the smaller ISP operators, especially in the regions, no, to be able to compete with the big ones. No? So I'm not saying na we can compete head to head with them, but at least we have a fighting chance. No? And internet and connectivity is the biggest and the great equalizer, no, para makakompete tayong mga maliliit. So what we're offering is, next slide please. We call it network as a service. So it's basically an OpEx model. It's a subscription-based type of offer where we will do the capital investment for you. Okay? Because we recognize that the revenue stream of ISPs and cable operators are monthly recurring ang revenue nyo. So mas maganda kung monthly recurring din ay yung investment. Okay? So instead of you taking out a loan from the bank, instead of you magbenta ng mga properties para makapag-raise ng funds to modernize your network, we will do that for you. And you will just pay me monthly. Okay? And you will just do it on a subscription model, the same way you're charging your customers. So it aligns to your business. Okay? And of course, while it eliminates the capex, it actually reduces the cost of ownership, the total cost of ownership. Kasi eventually, over time, hindi lang naman yung investment on the equipment ang binibili nyo. Hindi lang naman yun ang kailangan yung i-raise. Kailangan nyo rin i-operate, kailangan nyo i-maintain, kailangan nyo i-manage. Diba? So, and we can do that for you. The management, the operations, the maintenance of this equipment, we take care of that for you. Okay? And you just pay our company monthly, no? Monthly subscription. Next slide, please. So, yeah. So, may mga challenges, of course, especially yung mga maliliit na ISPs, no? So, our mission is really to eliminate or bridge the digital divide. Sabi nga nila, maraming pwedeng gawin sa new technology. Ang digitalization is already here. It's no longer the future, but we have to start somewhere. The transformation should start somewhere. So, ito yung start ng transformation. Ito yung start ng pagiging competitive natin mga maliliit na ISPs. No? Next slide, please. Okay. And while the subscription model works like this, no, so So you just pay me monthly for the network that I will build for you. Okay? And then pag-uusapan natin dito, yung service level agreement na lang, SLA, yung uptime. So you don't need to own the equipment, you don't need to own the platform. We still own the platform, mapapagamit lang namin kayo ng platform na yun. Parang gano'n. So subscription model. So sabi nga nila, di ba, nung araw, para makarating ka sa pupuntahan mo, bibili ka ng kotse, o magpo-provide ka ng sarili mong ride. Di ba? And you have to buy that car. Or kung bibilin mo yung car, deferred payment for 5 years, babayaran mo yung car, di ba? But what if, pwede mong gumamit ng car kahit hindi sa'yo, and you just pay the subscription, or you just pay the one-time na use mo, pay per use of that car. It's pretty much like the Grab. Di ba? The Grab or the Uber. Okay? You don't need to own the car, but you can use the car. So ganun din yun yung na-offer namin. You can use our equipment. We will provide the equipment for you. You don't need to own it. We will operate, manage it, and maintain everything for you. Okay? And you just pay me kung ano lang yung nagamit mo. Okay? Next slide, please. Okay. This is a... Okay, nakikita niyo ba? Okay. This is a sample computation if you were to buy one time. Okay? If you were to buy one time the equipment, say for example, in this case, halimbawa, you wanna use Juniper, no, in your core network. You wanna upgrade to a platform based on Juniper. So, ang investment niyan mahina, mga 15 million, 16 million to buy the box, to buy the router, to buy the cards, the 10G cards, the 100G cards. You will pretty much, spend around this much just to start your upgrade or your transformation. Next slide, please. Okay, but if we go through the subscription model, if you go through us, the network as a service, eto lang yung babayaran mo sa akin. So you have that one time, which is 29,000 US, is pretty much like 1.5 million. One time. And then monthly, you pay me $2,700, which is around 130,000. Parang ganun. Monthly. Okay? But I will have to tie you to like 2 years, no, para medyo ma-recoup ko ng konti yung investment ko. So, it's a deal that you cannot miss. Okay? So, lalo na kung ang revenue stream mo talaga monthly lang din. And if you pay me back to back, no, with this type of subscription, this is very much affordable. Okay? So, maraming iterations to, maraming pwedeng gawin na computation. It really depends, and this is just a sample, by the way. So, maraming pwedeng iteration to, maraming pwedeng versions ito, depende dun sa need nyo. But we will have to sit down together and find out more about your requirement. Okay? Pwedeng mas maliit dito, pwedeng mas malaki, pwedeng magsimula sa maliit, di ba? Or pwedeng bongga agad, malaki agad. But basically, we need to do the proper scoping with you, and we have to sit down with you to know your exact requirement. Okay? So we have a booth over there sa may labas, sa may corner. So if you're interested in this type of offer, then we can talk. Okay? And we'll do some siguro workshop with your technical team kung ano yung what best path to take, no, in order for you to start your digital journey. Next slide, please. Next slide. Okay. So basically, we help you design, we deliver the equipment, we configure, we manage, we operate, we maintain. O lahat na. So we do everything for you so that you can continue to focus on your business. Okay? Your business of selling the circuit and business of selling the service. But let us do the dirty work for you. And we also help you jumpstart or kickstart your digital journey. Okay. Next slide.